win. Somebody will lose. As a candidate, I am confident I am going to win.
बीजेपी कॉन्फिडंट आहा तुमचे थोडे ऑपोजिशनाचे आसा ते सुद्धा तांकां सपोर्ट करतले म्हणून.
तुवें BJPचे आयकिलां आतां मुजी आयकली. हांव सांगत तुका आमी आहाय कितू जाण इन्क्लुडींग गोवा फॉरवर्ड 12, इन्क्लुडींग आप 14, इन्क्लुडींग रेवोल्युशनरी गोवन्स 15. Still I am telling you we are going to win. That means BJP MLAs are going to support me somewhere.
BJP 25 न्हू.
म्हणून इफ हांव जिखूंक शकता हांव जर तर सांगत तुका हांव जिखतो म्हणून 100 जाण BJPन तुले म्हाका सपोर्ट करपाक
एमजी तुमकां सपोर्ट करतले म्हणटा तुमी.
That anybody, why should I disclose my cards to you?
CLP leader तुमचा केन्ना तयार
People do what is, I don't understand why you are so disturbed.
No, we are not disturbed.
For what?
पार्टी तुमकां आशिल्लें की सीएम जावना ते
They
पूण
will
सीएम
select
जाले
you
आतां.
because what is the urgency?
Okay.
तुमकां दिसता तुम्ही इतला लायटली घेता तो इशू अर्जन्सी काय ना.
No, we know what we are doing. We don't owe you an explanation.
Sir.
People, we are answerable to the people. Who is asking me is you.
Sir.
आम्ही
मीडियम
Nobody is asking us.
आणि तुमच्या मध्ये मीडिया
Sir, one more thing.
No, that is not the issue.
Sir, since you don't owe an explanation, or you don't owe an explanation.
I told you. See, why do I?
No,
say?
why I'm asking?
Why do I say?
Sir, why I'm asking?
No, listen to me.
काल तुम्ही कोण असं ना स्वेरिंग इन सेरेमनी तुमचा एक आमदार गेलो काल सांजचो सीएमाक विश
Even to wish, I will also wish the CM here.
काल असं म्हणा
No, I didn't go. Why did we not go? Because let me answer him. The reason is simple. According to us, the legislative department was closed on Sunday.
Okay.
We had to file our nomination. I had to file my nomination before 12 o'clock. Swearing in was supposed to be at 11 o'clock or 11:30. You tell me, how was it possible to go there and come here and file in time? We were not aware that the legislature department was open on Sundays. So that is the reason we couldn't attend the function.
Politics no किती ना तुमचा
Politics you are saying. I am telling you the reason why I didn't go.
No, I'm
I
just
will wish.
telling you.
I will 100% congratulate the Chief Minister right now.
सरकार फोन करपा जाता.
Lok munta, that is history. We might have made a mistake. We have accepted our mistake. Now let's look forward, no?
अजून एलओपी थाराना तेचेर
LOP, we will file, we will search, we will decide.
today
We are comfortable.
comfort
एक मतान निवड जातली काय कितें बॅलट वोटिंग बी जातली.
Why will there be ballot voting? There won't be ballot voting. We are a united lot. We will accept whatever the
अशें
decision.
म्हणटा की तुमी दिल्ली रेजोल्युशन धाडटले आनी दिल्ली
There are खबर ना. I am not aware. Nobody has told me anything.
तशें
else.
काय जावपा ना. तुमीच थारायतले हांगा.
We will decide.
पण केन्ना आतां जातले असेंब्ली
When?
स्टार्ट जावचे पयले
Maybe even after that. What difference it makes?
No, it doesn't make any difference. फाल्यां लेट देखून तुम्ही गव्हर्नमेंट केला काय डिफरन्स
Mage, what is the big problem?
लोकांक पिकासा जातले न्ही.
Talk up Picasso liner. People are calm. People are happy. People have accepted the verdict. We have accepted the BJP government also.
सगळं सुशेगाद आहा म्हणटा तुमी.
Huh?
people have accepted or you all have
Everything is
accepted
calm.
People are
everything
happy rejecting Congress.
I've said we have accepted the verdict of the people. I have not said people are happy rejecting Congress.
थँक्यू.
Have a nice